traveling to a new country is always exciting. The thrill of stepping into a new environment, the anticipation of discovering hidden gems, and the joy of meeting new people make every trip an adventure. It's a chance to experience different cultures, see amazing sights, and create unforgettable memories. From tasting exotic street food to capturing the beauty of historic landmarks, every moment is a treasure. But what if you don't speak the local language? Don't worry. Language barriers can seem daunting, but they don't have to hold you back. English can be your key to unlocking a world of possibilities. With a few basic phrases, you can navigate through most situations with ease. English is widely spoken around the world, making it the unofficial language of travel. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, chances are you'll find someone who speaks English. Even if you don't speak the native language of your destination, knowing some basic English can significantly enhance your travel experience. It can help you ask for directions, order food, and even make new friends. It allows you to communicate with locals and fellow travelers, navigate unfamiliar places, and seek assistance when needed, and truly immerse yourself in the local culture. Engaging with locals in English can lead to deeper cultural exchanges and a more enriching travel experience. Imagine this. You're lost in a bustling marketplace in Marrakesh, the aromas of spices filling the air. The vibrant colors and sounds create a sensory overload. You need to find your way back to your riad, but the street signs are in Arabic. The unfamiliar script can be confusing. With a few simple English phrases, you can ask a friendly local for directions and easily find your way. Their willingness to help can turn a potentially stressful situation into a pleasant interaction. Or picture yourself in a cozy Parisian cafe, eager to try the delicious pastries on display. The aroma of freshly baked goods is irresistible. By using basic English phrases, you can confidently order a pain au chocolat and a café au lait, even if you don't speak a word of French. The ability to communicate your desires enhances your culinary experience. English is your passport to adventure, opening doors to authentic experiences and meaningful connections with people from all walks of life. It bridges gaps and fosters understanding. So embrace the power of language and watch your travel experiences transform from ordinary to extraordinary. Let English be the tool that enriches your journey and makes every moment unforgettable. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content to make your travels even better. One of the easiest ways to use English while traveling is by mastering basic greetings. These simple phrases can go a long way in breaking the ice and starting conversations with locals. Hello, good morning, good evening, and thank you. These are your magic words. A friendly smile and a simple hello can instantly make you feel more comfortable in a new environment. Don't be afraid to use these phrases, even if you're not confident in your pronunciation. Locals will appreciate your effort to communicate and will often be more than happy to help you. For example, you can approach a shopkeeper and say, "Hello, good morning. Do you speak English?" These small interactions can lead to unexpected adventures and enriching cultural exchanges. You might learn a few local phrases, discover hidden gems, or even make new friends along the way. Getting lost in a new city can be daunting, but it can also be an opportunity for adventure. Exploring new places can lead to unexpected discoveries and memorable experiences. With a few key phrases for asking and understanding directions, you can navigate unfamiliar territories with ease. Knowing how to communicate effectively can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. When you need to find a specific location, start by politely asking, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to?" This simple phrase can open up a world of helpful information. For example, you could ask, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?" This is a common question that locals are usually happy to answer. Or, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest ATM is?" This can be particularly useful when you need cash in a new place. Once you've asked for directions, pay close attention to the response. Locals might use landmarks or specific street names to guide you. You'll likely hear words like left, right, straight ahead, which are essential for understanding the route. Turn and cross the street. These directional cues are crucial for navigating through the city. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if needed. It's better to ask again than to get lost. For example, you could say, "Could you repeat that, please?" This shows that you are attentive and eager to understand. Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand." "Could you please point me in the right direction?" This can help ensure you are on the correct path. Remember, even if you take a wrong turn, it's all part of the adventure. Sometimes the best experiences come from unplanned detours. Embrace the unexpected detours, and you never know what hidden gems you might stumble upon. These moments can make your trip truly unforgettable. Food is an integral part of any travel experience, offering a unique window into the culture and traditions of a place. It's a chance to tantalize your taste buds with new flavors and experience the local culinary culture, which can be both exciting and a bit daunting. Ordering food in English is easier than you might think, even if you don't recognize everything on the menu. With a few simple phrases, you can navigate any dining situation. Start by politely getting the waiter's attention with the simple but polite phrase, "Excuse me." This shows respect and ensures you have their full attention. When you're ready to order, you can say, "I'd like to order the," or "I'll have the." This makes your request clear and straightforward. If you have any dietary restrictions, be sure to mention them as well. This helps the staff accommodate your needs and ensures a pleasant dining experience. For example, you could say, "I'm allergic to shellfish," or "I'm vegetarian." Clear communication is key to avoiding any issues. Don't be afraid to ask questions about the menu if you're unsure about something. This can enhance your dining experience and help you make informed choices. For instance, you could ask, "What is the chef's special?" Or, "Could you tell me more about this dish?" This shows your interest and can lead to delightful discoveries. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience. Dining is as much about the atmosphere and company as it is about the food. Embrace the opportunity to try new foods and savor the flavors of your destination. Each meal is a chance to create lasting memories. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Happy travels and bon appetit!